Mary and Tanya are lammy makers. Mary's procedure takes 1.5 hours and she can take only 5 clients per day. Tanya takes in 7 clients and finishes work earlier than Mary. But how's that possible? Meantime, Mary uses Lash Botox, Tanya uses Lash Botox Express. Every procedure takes 20 minutes less, and that's why Tanya has 2 more clients a day and 10 more clients a week. And almost all of them are premium range clients who are always in a rush. They value their time and they're ready to pay extras for speed and decent quality. If there is no difference, why stall for time? Start using Lash Botox Express. Time is money. Buy 2 formulas and get one for free. Ask your manager for details.